Hope at Crafty Hope. What you're about to watch is my reveal of what's in this box that I received as a Jesse James Design Ambassador at the end of July. I had so much stuff from them then that I haven't really touched this box. So they sent some stuff for September that I'll link up here, which was a design challenge that had a deadline. So I got that up and still haven't touched this. So I want y'all to have a reveal of it before I start playing with it. So just want y'all to know that it was recorded like over a month ago. And so some of what I say may not be applicable now. So thanks for watching. Here we go. Hey y'all, it's Crafty Hope and welcome. I just got this in the mail. If you've seen some other videos, you know I'm a Jesse James Bead Design Ambassador, and I get sent some fun beads to play with from them just about every month. So this month, just like last month, they sent me the Magical Mystery Bead Box, and I think this may be July's box. I'm not sure. That was just what was on the like the shipping notification. So we're gonna see, we're gonna open it up. I have not done anything more than cut this seal, and we're gonna open it together. Are y'all ready? All right, here we go. Dun dun dun. Ooh, ooh, y'all. All right, so this says Sunflowers, Vincent van Gogh, Magical Mystery Bead Box, July 2022. So that is what it is. So I've got the list here of what's in here, and y'all, I'm super excited because I do love sunflowers and I do love Van Gogh, and I'm already drooling a little bit on this. So let's take a look, and we're going to go down my little list here. So Fields of Arles, I don't know, Arles? Heishi Bead Strand. So that's right here on top. And look at this, y'all. That's even got some gold spacer beads in there. But we've got some grays and blues and greens and yellows and yellow oranges and a little bit of brown. And yeah. All right. So that is really lovely. And then there is the Yellow House beads. Y'all, why can't I read right now? I think I'm too excited. So let me see. This is it, the Yellow House. So I'm going to see, there is, yeah, it's two sides. So there is a large boho bead, which looks like it's some kind of textile with these gold beads in it. I'm not sure yet. These bead caps are attached. And then there are beautiful large crystal beads, a brass spacer. This, oh, I love that green. Can you see that shade of green? Love that. Some beautiful rhinestone spacers. This is like a micro bead bead. Some gold bead caps. Some kind of, what is that? Oh, I think it's porcelain or ceramic. Yeah. And this beautiful like mustard. Another green bead. This is a teardrop one, a brass spacer, and then a golden yellow. And so that repeats on this side as well. Love it. All right. Then we've got Gratitude, Friendship, and Happiness bead mix. Let me see. Oh, that's the one that I was seeing a second ago. All right. Look at this. Can you see all of that? All right, I am going to open this and come back in just a second and show you what's in it. Okay, it is open. Let's see what this deliciousness is. All right, so first and foremost, I see these two little tassel beads. They're like floral and this mustard yellow with gold bead caps on them. And I know immediately I will probably use these. Are perfect, so perfect for fall designing. Mustard is one of my favorite colors. So, all right, and then we've got these glittery blue beads with the kind of, I don't know, they're kind of an antiqued gold bead caps on them. That is nice. Two large pale blue crystal beads. Let me see. My light always feels like it's off because I'm not as high as my camera. Okay. A couple of teardrop beads in this pale yellow, but these are really, I don't know. Can you see all the gloriousness in those? They're very sunshiny. Oh, where do we go from here? All right, I guess I'm going to pick up these spacers. How many are there? So these are some gold rhinestone spacers, about 6 of them. See the Lovely. And then, oh, I like these. These are kind of a limey green crystal. Beautiful. These large hold crystals, I don't know, they're like rhinestones and they're a large hole. Those are really neat. I don't even know how to describe that color. What would you call it? I don't know. What else? All right, these seem like stone. Yeah, these are some kind of stone and they're faceted and opaque. So, yeah, I kind of dig that. Some green crackle beads and another kind of bright green. Some brown faceted glass beads in this yummy, like, I don't, mocha color, maybe? What else? There's some cube. How many of these have we got? Some like golden yellow cube glass beads. But these are a neat shape. I don't even know what you call that shape. That is awful that I don't know. So this is the shape, and it's, I don't know, it's very geometric in this golden color. And then these are fun. These are some, I think they're briolettes. They are. And they have like a color change, not color change, but like it's white, and as you see to that like cafe au lait color. Lovely. A couple, oh, there's 4 of these lava beads. So yellow lava beads, yum. And then some matte sunflower yellow glass beads. And then some, let's see, some like, what do you call these, like star spacers? And then some golden daisy spacer. Uh-oh, did one stack? What, did I drop it? I did. Those. All right, so I'm going to put those all together in a little cup so we don't lose it. And I'm going to go ahead and let me see what's next. Oh my goodness, y'all, butterfingers. All right, lovely, lovely. I'll put that back here for right now. So that was the Gratitude, Friendship, and Happiness bead mix. And the next is the Sunflowers mini bead mix. So I see these right here. Oh, and it's heavy. All right, so once again, I'm going to open it real quick and then we'll take a look at it. Are you ready for this? Let us look at the Sunflowers mini bead mix. Oh, I do love little beads. All right, so what have we got in here? There are more little tassels. These are in this, I love this, this olive green color. Y'all, these are so my colors. Yellow is a hard color for me to design with, but I wear it all the time, so I don't know what the problem is. But greens too, yum. Okay, here's some little ceramic beads. I like that a lot. This is giving me all the warm fuzzies. I love it. All right, then there's some blue teardrop. Oh, these have like an AB on them. Can you see that? The purpley pink shimmer on that. Oh, love that. All right, what else? What else? These are I call them like wonder beads, but I don't know if that's really, but these blue with that like color shift in it. And they're just these elongated, yeah, my words are not working today. What's next? All right, we're gonna go for what else is big. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at these gold beads. You see the little flowers on them. Oh, those are gonna be really fun to use in this somehow. All right, and then these are some neat flat metallic gold beads with like that ripply texture. Yeah, I dig that. And these are a fun shape. I don't know what to call these, but they're like flattened, like these ovals, and they're like flat. I don't know what's wrong with my words today, y'all, but these beads have, I guess they have given me a loss for words. And then we've got some champagne glass pearls here. They're a little darker than champagne. I don't know what you would call that. And these are some rectangular aqua turquoise beads with like a metallic finish on them. Like, yeah. All right, so now we are getting to the actual little things. Let's see, there are some rhinestone beads. These are gold with clear rhinestones on them. And then we've got these bright yellow glass beads. Is that all of them? Yeah. That is yummy. That is a pop of happy right there, I think. And there's some little bitty ones in there that go with those, but we're gonna have to give it a minute to get to those. So then then there are these more kind of orangey yellow beads, and they are kind of I don't know which shape you would call that, but it's like that other shape. I couldn't tell you what it was called before, the very geometric-y shape. So I like that. That kind of goes really well with these tassels. So that mustardy color. And then here's some, I really like the color of these green rondelles, y'all. Look at that color. It just seems like grassy and happy. And then let's see, what else? Then there's some tiny green, these are great. Tiny green glass rectangles, I guess. Look at those. Aren't those just sparkly, yummy? Like a little pop of that somehow. Yes! I'm running out of space with all these little beads. Alright, then there are some like bronzy cubes. If I can get them all. I really like these mini mixes with all the little beads because I do love little beads to kind of fill things out. So those are great. Let's see. And some more rhinestone spacers. You cannot go wrong with rhinestone spacers. They are perfect for adding a pop of sparkle to something. All right, and then there are these little, they are like a brown and yellow. They look like they're matte. They're like almost like seed beads, but they're not. I think they're faceted. They're so tiny it's hard to tell. I do love them for that little pop of yellow. And then some brass spacers. So just brass daisy spacers. Any kind of spacer you just can't go wrong with. All right, so let's put them in a little cup. I know I had another one. Okay. So we'll get these all in a cup. So that was the Sunflowers mini bead mix. And the next one is At the Museum Pendant pair. Ooh, yeah, I can see that already. In the box right here, At the Museum Pendant pair. I don't know, can you see? You can see that, can't you? I'm trying to, I guess I'll take them out. Hold on. So here are these, and they are the sunflower print on there. The Van Gogh sunflower print with all those blues and yellows and oranges, and I just, and they're luminous, and the back of them have a little bit of texture to them, and so they could work really as earrings. They're a little heavy, but not too bad. I really like these. Oh, Jessie James, this set is beautiful. All right, so that's the At the Museum Pendant pair, and then there's the Bouquet Charm Set. So that's this. So there's several charms in here. So I will open this as well. My goodness. All right, here's the Bouquet Charm Set. And y'all, I already know somebody that I can make a necklace with this sunflower for. And then, oh, look at these. I really like these. The like enamel is matte. And then you've got the rhinestones in them. And then these, I think I've had some of these in a different set from Jessie James before. And they are so beautiful to work with. So that, yeah, fabulous. All right, so that's the Bouquet Charm Set, and then the Chain of Blooms. Oh, it was hidden. I didn't think it was in there. All right, I'll have to open this too. 1 second. Now look at this chain. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's flip it over. Look at this, y'all. So it is these like pieces within this neat chain. So this has so many opportunities. You could use it as a chain on its own, or take these links apart for other things. Oh my gosh. So you've got these like figure eights in there, and then there's a jump ring in one of these beautiful pieces. A jump ring, a figure eight. You've got a wrapped, like a twisted ring there. Don't think it's a jump ring. No, it's just a ring. And that repeats for several feet. Let me see. This is about 1.5 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and say I'm not gonna pull out my ruler because we still have more to go. So then there's the don't lose your earring assortment. Ha ha, y'all. Don't lose your ear. All right, so we're gonna open this because I'm intrigued. All right, let's see what this is. All right, so the first thing I see are these large, oh, I dropped something, are these large ear wires. Look at that. Well, let's look at them on their own. So these large ear wires, the flat portions here could be really perfect for wrapping some of the little bitty beads from this mini kit mix. I'm thinking. Then we've got, these are already made earrings, but it looks like they might have a loop or some kind of connection here in the back that we can add to them with. See, there's this in the back that I'll have to play with and see, but it does have loops, some openings that we might be able to do some other things with. And then there are these elongated rectangles, so of course they are big openings that things could be added onto as well. So that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the backs on these so I don't lose them. All right, that is neat. I have not seen that before from Jessie James, so that's a neat earring mix there. And then the last thing is the golden sunflower clasp. So we are, it looks like it's a box clasp. No, it's a snap clasp, it looks like. All right, we're gonna open it. So this is it. Oh, this has a really nice weight to it and loads of sparkle. And let's see. Oh, it's like a sliding, it's magnetic, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is magnetic. And so it could definitely be a pendant. I'm totally seeing a pendant in this. Definitely going to be playing with some of these things, y'all. Okay, so let's take a look at everything we've got. I'm going to get it all arranged pretty here. So we can take one last look at everything. I'll have some pictures at the end of it all. And let me know if you have any questions, or let me know what you would do with some of these things, or if you know what I would call some of these colors or shapes, because I need to get on my game a little bit better. All right, y'all, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back later and see, you know, what I do with these things or whatever else. Big thanks to Jessie James for sending me this beautiful mix, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.